Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. My name is Dolon. Thank you for watching, and today I have two recipes for you. They're very healthy recipes. One is garlic chutney, we call it Vortha, and one is aubergine and tomato. And let's get cooking. Thank you. So for this recipe, the main ingredients are garlic. Okay, so I've got about 6-8 garlics here, all peeled and washed. And I've taken the big ones, big cloves, so it's quicker and it's soft. Onions, thinly sliced. Coriander leaves. I've got cumin seeds, whole cumin seeds. Whole red chilies, just 3-4 chilies. Salt and mustard oil, which you can pick up from any local store. So a non-stick pan, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. So the oil is hot. I'm going to add the chilies first, the whole chilies, and just fry this for about 3-4 minutes. So this is now, you can see it's fried, so I'll take it off. Leave this aside for the last stage, and then I'm going to add the garlic onto the same pan. Let this cook for about 5-6 minutes and then we'll turn it over. Okay, so now you can see, stir this, turn it over. Okay, so just give it another few minutes on the other side. So now the garlics are ready and I'm going to take them off the stove. So on the same pan, I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Add the onions. I'm going to add some cumin seeds. Cook this for about 2-3 minutes. When it gets tender, we'll mix it with the garlic. Now the onions are cooked, I'll just pour the onions with the garlic. So I'll add the chilies that we did earlier on. Add salt, maybe half a teaspoon. Add coriander leaves and just mix. So this is all mixed and ready to be served. So as I said earlier, this is very quick to make and it's very healthy, and it doesn't take more than 15-20 minutes to cook. Do try at home. So first of all, I have the main ingredients for this recipe. It's the eggplant or aubergine, whatever you call it. So I'm going to cut these into small pieces later on. We have tomato, thin sliced tomato. Onions, thin sliced 1 onion is enough. Here we have sliced ginger, thinly sliced green chilies, coriander leaves, whole jeera, cumin seeds, salt, chopped sliced garlic, turmeric, I'll use later, cooking oil here, and then I've got ghee here. As I go along, I'll show you how much to use. Cumin powder, I'll add this later on as I go along. That's it. Now it's ready. So I've got a non-stick pan here and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now the pan is hot, so I'll add 2-3 cloves, just cut into small pieces. Already now it's slightly a gold color, so we'll add the cumin seeds. And then we'll add the aubergines that I've cut earlier on. We're going to leave this for about 5-6 minutes and then we're going to turn it again until it's all mashed and cooked properly. Okay, now that the aubergine is ready, you can see it's so tender and soft. Thinly sliced onions that I did earlier on, the chopped tomatoes, about 2 tomatoes here. make sure everything is mixed together. So let's just cover this and leave it. Okay, so let's have a look. You can see the aubergine and the tomatoes and everything's cooked. Not much water left. Now we'll add the remaining ingredients. Got some green chilies, so just add that. I have salt here, so just maybe a teaspoon of salt. Chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Tumeric powder, so 1 teaspoon of turmeric. And coriander leaves. We'll just cook this for about another 5 minutes and then it's ready to be served. And now lastly, we'll just add sliced ginger and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. So just stir this for about 2-3 minutes and then this will be ready to be served. So here we are, we have the aubergine and tomato chutney.